how exciting the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Plus, designed for those who want powerful suction and, you know, those people with pets who need the powerful suction, like us. You've got 290 AW of powerful suction. That is intense, guys. And 50 feet cord. Some more things, 0.3 microns is the filtration system. And here are the components of the vacuum. There's a lot going on here. It was well thought of, every single component, and just the versatility of this vacuum. You're definitely in for a treat to see how it works. So let's see it in action. So in our house, we have hardwood floor and carpeted areas, but this vacuum is really good at adjusting between the two. The transition from going from the hardwood floor onto the carpet is fairly easy and vice versa, but I want to add that the transition is easy because the switch on the bottom of the vacuum is towards the right side. Now, if you want more suction, you can switch it in the middle or towards the left side. However, the transition from hardwood floor onto carpet is going to be a difficult one. Not so with carpet onto hardwood floor. It's really good to have that switch available to turn towards the left side when you need really, really deep suction on a flat carpet, which is able to suction even the finest of particles. Good for those who have allergies or just want a really deep clean. Personally, for me, to make the transitions from carpet to hardwood floor easier and faster, and just the whole cleaning process for it to be expedited, I keep that lever towards the right side, and I found it to be good enough. It's able to suction everything that I need very well despite it not being in a deep clean mode. It definitely speaks volumes to the power of this vacuum and just how good the suction is. Also, hope you saw that maneuverability. That's another thing I love about it, is how it's able to turn easily and get into those hard to reach places. Next, there is a feature that I think many of you would find very useful. There is a special brush head, and the bristles on that small brush head spin as the vacuum is turned on. Those bristles are suction powered, there's no motor in there. I was very impressed how fluently the bristles worked with the suction of the vacuum. All the small pet hairs on the couch were removed so easily. If you don't like using that brush head for your couch, no worries, you could still do it this way, which sometimes I prefer because it's a lot faster. Then I go in with a small brush head to get the rest of the areas. The debris that you see in the vacuum is from vacuuming just the gray couch and the gray rug. That's a lot that it was able to capture. It's a really simple process to dump the debris into the trash can. Simply push the red button as you pull up the container, but don't push it again because it's gonna go all over the place. When you have a trash can handy, you can press that red button and all of the debris should be able to fall out, and you can simply shake out the rest. And that's it. Then the bottom snaps back up and you're ready to insert it back into the vacuum. I love how everything just snaps in so easily. I did vacuum a lot of lint from here, and what happened was the suction was off. I could tell it wasn't working as well, and I took this off and check that out right there. It's got all of this lint stuck in here. I guess it was way too thick for the vacuum. Now, mind you, it was a lot of lint that I vacuumed. I was just testing, and no wonder it got stuck, but hopefully the suction will just return back to normal. We'll see. Oh yeah, all good. And finally, I want to say that, you know, those hard to reach areas that you would just pass by and not bother? Well, it's really easy and fast to get them now because you simply remove that hose wand and you reach back or up where you need suction. Super easy. They definitely engineered it for practicality. I just want to end with a very fun fact. Dyson Ball Animal 3 features 290 air watts of suction. Dyson V15, that famous cordless model, delivers 230 air watts of suction power. 290 versus 230, your choice.